If you struggle to speak in front of a camera, you struggle to be confident, you don't have any conviction behind your words, I'm going to change your life in the next 2 minutes because I'm going to show you two actionable steps you can take right now that's going to transform the way you speak with anybody, whether that be in front of a camera, whether that be in public, whether that be with your friends, family, whatever, whoever you speak to. I don't know who you speak to. It's going to change entirely how you speak. So I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get into it. We do not want to be a little shy kid that everybody hates because if this is how this is how you sound like in front of a camera, bro. If this is how you sound like in front of a camera, like you can't even you can't even articulate any of your thoughts. The reason why that is happening is because you're making one mistake. You don't think in English. This is the reason why I'm able to speak so confidently in English. I think and talk to myself in English. That's just how I've always been. That's why I never ever struggle to actually speak in English is because I think in English. The reason why you're so confident in your mother tongue is because that's what you think in. You probably are very confident in the language that you talk to yourself to, right? If you talk to yourself in like Hindi, you're probably very confident in speaking in Hindi. But the reason why you struggle with speaking in English is because you don't think in English. And so your brain is working overtime. Your brain has to first of all think the thought, then it has to translate the thought, and then it has to speak. You're doing three pieces of work in one go. That's not how it works. Your brain is not meant to do that. You're meant to absolutely be efficient as a machine. Your brain is a machine. You're meant to be efficient. The first actionable step is to actually think in English. Have every one of your thoughts in English. Think in English. That's the first actionable step. The second actionable step, whenever you're trying to record any sort of video, you're trying to speak in, you're doing some sort of public speaking, there is one activity, one exercise you can do, which is going to make you more confident. And this exercise is very stupid. You'll probably look like really weird and, like as if you have some sort of a problem, but this is actually going to work really, really well for you. But this activity has changed the way I speak in front of a camera, and the activity is to actually make faces. And I know it's going to sound very weird, but you actually make faces before you record. Before I recorded this video, you know what I was doing? I was making stupid as faces, right? You become goofy as hell before you actually record any sort of video. You become extremely goofy. The reason why you want to do that is because that just lets out all the energy, right? The more goofier, the more stupid, the more raw you become, the better you're going to be able to speak, because now you don't have to perform. If the reason why you struggle to sit in front of a camera and actually record any sort of content is because you're just thinking too much about recording the piece of content, right? You want to let go of all of that energy, and the way you do that is just by acting like really stupid and retarded, right? You act really stupid, you're going to have better videos, you're going to speak better in your videos. I cover all of this inside of Ascension Academy, so if you want to join, you can join and apply. We're going to start soon in the next 1 month. We're going to start this community. Over only 100 members are allowed, so if you want to apply. Spots are going to be selling out soon. Anyways, do all of this actionable shit, subscribe. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.